This is the cash that is awaiting the winner of this video. Who's gonna be the winner? We are not sure yet because we are gonna be picking the winner in this video right here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. I am finally doing the 10,000 dirham shopping spree giveaway. I'm gonna give you guys all of the information, but real quick, this is the cash that is awaiting the winner of this video. Who's gonna be the winner? We are not sure yet because we are gonna be picking the winner in this video right here. And the winner will not be informed or anything until 24 hours. So we're gonna make sure that they watches the YouTube video. And if they don't, it's completely fine. We are still gonna contact them in 24 hours. Now, let me tell you guys who is gonna be the winner. The winner is gonna be the person who has followed the rules all over my social medias. And how I'm gonna be picking up the winner is something I'm gonna tell you guys. But real quick, before we get into it, I wanna tell you guys about this giveaway. Why did I do it? I actually felt like doing a giveaway for the longest time, but I never wanted it to be cash or something stupid like a PS5 or anything that just doesn't make sense, you know? Cash, it makes sense, you know, you could start up a business, but like PS5s, mobiles, none of these corny stuff. I actually want to do a giveaway where you guys actually enjoy it, I enjoy it. And one of the ideas that I actually got was a 10,000 dirham cash shopping spree. So you basically can go to Dubai Mall and buy whatever you want without having the limitation to spend anything. You can spend as much as you want of the 10,000 dirham, even the whole thing, and you're good to go. How I'm gonna choose the winner is so smart, guys. I want you guys to watch this video until the end. And I wanna real quick mention that I'm doing a separate 500 dirhams giveaway for anyone who subscribes to the YouTube channel and sends me a screenshot. So if you actually subscribe to the YouTube channel and send me a screenshot, you will be nominated for the YouTube giveaway of 500 dirhams. I know that's not a crazy amount, but inshallah, I hope it can help you guys. So if you wanna win this 500, easy way, I will transfer it to you, Binance or PayPal, whatever you prefer. I will take care of you. All you have to do is literally subscribe to the YouTube channel with the notifications on, and we will be sending you the amount to one winner. So that winner could be anyone in my DMs, me scrolling through, clicking, and then finding out that they have actually sent the screenshot. So you guys can take your chance, inshallah. If you guys want to win this 500, it's an easy choice. So yeah, without further ado, I think I'm very ready to choose the winner. As I told you guys, the way I'm gonna choose the winner is very smart and very intelligent, and I bet you guys didn't even think of this. And just to make it genuine enough, guys, I'm gonna screen record the whole process of me choosing the winner. So I hope you guys watch until the end and you guys find out who the true winner of this challenge is. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into the next scene or the next place that we're gonna go to, and then I'm gonna show you guys if you have won the giveaway or not for the 10,000 dirham cash spree. Let's do it. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna tell you guys how one of you guys can actually get access to all of this cash. But before that, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm gonna be choosing the winner. Well, to choose the winner is quite simple. It's actually so easy. I'm gonna tell you guys in the simplest way possible. I've uploaded the giveaway video like a week ago in all of my social media platforms, and I've uploaded it multiple times in some of the social media accounts that I have. For example, on Instagram, I've uploaded 4 different videos about this giveaway. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going all over the 4 videos on Instagram. I'm gonna be going all over the videos on YouTube Shorts, as well as any video that I've uploaded on Facebook or anywhere else. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be shortlisting the people from this comment section. How? I'm gonna use a random comment picker that picks one person out of one video each. And I'm gonna screen record the whole process just so you guys know it's real. And I promise I'm not gonna do anything that seems sketchy or anything. I'm gonna make sure that this 10K is deserved to the right person. So the whole process is quite simple. I'm gonna go all over my social medias, all over the videos that I've uploaded, and I'm gonna choose one person per video through the random comment picker. Once I have the 15 to 16 people shortlisted, I'm gonna use the spin the wheel and choose 2 different winners from spin the wheel. So I'm gonna spin it one time, the first winner, spin it the second time, the second winner. But as I told you guys, I'm not gonna DM the winner or anything. I'm just gonna wait until 24 hours to see if they're gonna watch the YouTube video or not, so they can DM me. But regardless, guys, this is gonna be a fun one because the spin the wheel will actually give us 2 different winners. And if you're curious why 2 different winners, I'm gonna explain it in a fun game. So before that, let's jump into the car, let's use my phone, and let's start picking up the 2 winners, inshallah, so that we can shortlist everyone and have 2 people. And from those 2 people, let's see who actually wins it. If it's you or if it's anyone else, let's play the game and let's see who wins. Guys, it's finally time for me to choose the winner, inshallah. And I've delayed the video for quite a long time, but I think it's finally time. I am gonna start with YouTube, then I'm gonna jump into TikTok, then I'm gonna jump into Instagram. So I haven't told you guys this, but these 2 people can either choose split and split the money 5k each, or one of them chooses split, one of them chooses steal, and the steal guy takes all the 10k home, or they both say steal and I get to choose more new people, but I do not know who's gonna choose what. Wallahi, I have no clue, and I promise I'm not making this up or lying or anything, because I don't want this to be fake or anything, because my image is more important than anything, and I wouldn't care about 10k at all if it was for me to fake it, wallahi. So I hope you guys understand that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into YouTube, TikTok, and then Instagram. I'm gonna be choosing most of the contestants from the Instagram account, so I hope you guys watch until the end. And again, without further ado, we're gonna jump into my phone. I'm gonna go into the comments. There's 125 comments in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll until the end, and then I'm gonna stop at a certain point. So I've gone through all of the comments over here. And by the way, you're not the winner, but you're the winner for the spin the wheel, just so you're clear, please. I don't want this to be confusing. So okay, I'm in the middle of two people. There is how do you tag, and Yusuf Saleh, I followed, like the video and tag two people. Alright, you are actually the first person chosen for the roulette. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have his number. Can I have your WhatsApp number? You may be the winner. Alright, so we have the first person, and if you guys are curious how I'm gonna contact them back or anything, I have the screen recording so I can rewatch it, find the people, and again. It's not a big deal for me. YouTube, I think it's done. Now I'm gonna jump into TikTok, so we're gonna go to tiktok.com. Alright, we are on TikTok, guys, and on TikTok I only have one video uploaded for this. I'm gonna choose two people from TikTok, so let's jump into it. The video is right over here. We have Al Naqbi. Okay, he followed the rule. He actually follows me. I'm gonna follow him back. I'm gonna send him a hi, and I'm gonna send him, send me your WhatsApp number. Alright, let's get their WhatsApp number. I'm gonna choose one more person, so real quick, I'm gonna this time scroll. We have Ammi Muzaffari. Oh, he doesn't follow me. He does not follow me, so we're not gonna choose them. I'm gonna just keep scrolling again. Okay, it is this one right here. Oh my days. No, not. They haven't dropped the follow. That's crazy. I'm gonna keep scrolling again. We have Asir. Yo, he may be the winner. Send me your WhatsApp number. Now I'm gonna jump into my main TikTok, which is at Ehsanszz, and over here we're gonna find more people, inshallah. And as you guys can see, we're at a 191k followers. I've uploaded a total of 3 videos about the giveaway, and right now I'm gonna go through all of the 3 videos and choose one person per video. So this is the first video, spinning until I found someone else. Again, wallahi, I'm not looking, guys, so I'm gonna just okay. حتى لو ما فزنا سنفور لو كلنا سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم. ما شاء الله, follows me too. That's so beautiful, wallahi. See, like, that's a person that deserves it, you know. Can I have your WhatsApp number? And guys, I already have this guy on my main account, so I'm gonna message him from my main account as well. But regardless, don't worry, guys, I'll take care of it. Then we have this video that I have uploaded again. So I'm gonna, from each video, I'm gonna choose one person, then put them on the roulette. Okay, I'm right here, Yusuf and ads. And yeah, they follow me. Send me your WhatsApp number. I got another guy. All right, now we're gonna go to the last person, last video. This video right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna message the person, but even if they don't follow me, it's completely fine, just because I swear to God I'm not looking, guys, just so you know. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm in the middle of 2. I'm in the middle. So this guy has only tagged one person, which doesn't count. This guy has tagged 2 people. I'll Kamil. Alright, I requested it, but regardless, I'm gonna try to chat with him. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send message, send me your WhatsApp number. And yeah, that's pretty much it. TikTok is basically done. Now we're gonna get into the main thing, which is Instagram. And Instagram, I'm also gonna do a scroll, but mainly use a tool that could potentially help me find the people's name and number. So alright guys, we are on my Instagram. As I told you guys, the Instagram videos has 1 million views and the other one has 21k, the other one 211k views. So this is gonna be not easy but very hard for me to choose a winner from. That's why I'm gonna go through the 3 videos that I've uploaded about the giveaway, starting with this one right here. Eid is closed. We're gonna jump into it inshallah, and right now we're gonna choose the first ever participant from Instagram. So I've copied the link for the video. Now we're gonna click on find post. As you guys can see, it's currently finding the post. Start giveaway. It's currently processing. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, Rashida. We have the first ever winner, Rashida. Second winner, let's see. Me, Rashid Salman. Third, it's Ben AMH94. Luca, Italian guy, 4. And the 5th person is Krupa Bat. Good luck guys, you guys have actually got the chance to be in the roulette or spin the wheel and to be chosen as the 2 winners for this giveaway. That's amazing, I can't lie. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the second video that I've uploaded. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do. This is the second video. I'm gonna copy the link. I'm gonna paste it right over here, select all, paste, go. And yeah, I'm gonna actually get 3 winners from this video and 3 winners from the other one. Number of winners 3 and minimum tags required is 2. So start giveaway. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have 3 more winners from this video, but the last video is still left out guys, so we're gonna jump into the last video. As you guys can see, I'm screen recording, so I know their ads, everything. I'm gonna be in contact with them, but find post. I just copied the link for the other video. Start giveaway, count each person as once. I'm gonna change these things. 3 winners again, number of tags, 2. And yeah, I'm gonna make sure that they have followed the rules. I'm gonna make sure they follow me, tag 2 people properly, and they've liked the video, because that was the 3 rules of the game. And we are currently on our way to find 3 more winners for the spin the wheel and see who's actually lucky enough to be on this list, inshallah. I'm gonna contact all of them and I'm gonna see who actually gets the prize. So we have got 3 more people. As I told you guys, I might jump into the video that has 37,000 likes one more time. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into my Arabic account, and from my Arabic account I'm gonna choose 3 winners, all right? Just because I want it to be fair, I'm gonna choose 3 people from my Arabic account because a lot of people has commented there as well. So currently it's working, and hopefully we have a total of like 25 participants, I think, for the spin the wheel. All right, we have 3 people from the giveaway. I'm actually gonna jump into the 37,000 comments back. I'm gonna choose 2 more people, all right? 2 more people just because they might have a chance, maybe not, who knows. All right guys, I just copied the link for the main video. I feel like definitely someone deserves this. I mean, more people deserves to be in this competition from that video. 2, 1. All right, I think that's fair enough. We have quite a good amount of people and quite a lot of people to be actually followed up with. Okay guys, so I was just filling out the roulette for all of the people that we have added in this roulette right here, but I completely forgot about doing the manual scroll over my Instagram. So currently I'm on my second Instagram. I'm not on my own Instagram account, and right now I'm gonna be doing a scroll on each one of the videos that I've uploaded about the giveaway, and hopefully get 1 person per video, starting with this video where it has 37,000 likes, which is amazing. So 37,000 comments, sorry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the comments just like this. I have the first ever person, Abdurrahman NDK. I hope he follows the account, but he's the first person. Now I'm gonna jump into the second video, which is this one right here. I'm gonna just click on the comments. We have Zidan Muhammad. We have this guy right over here. He could be the potential winner. We're not sure yet. I'm gonna go over the last video right now. So I choose the last person. Aisha Sheikh. But yeah guys, we have 3 extra people, and right now I'm gonna choose 3 more people from my TikTok Arabic. This guy, R9. Alright, he doesn't follow me, so he's disqualified. Okay, follow back. We're gonna drop a follow back. This could be the guy winning the giveaway. Ahmed, inshallah. This is the second guy that's chosen. And now we're gonna scroll. بالله تو الأمر ما أخذ هدية من أحد ثاني بس. Well, unfortunately, she hasn't tagged anyone, so disqualified. We actually have her follow back, and she has tagged 2 different people right over here. So yeah, we have chosen 6 more people because I want this to be a bit more competitive and I want this to be more exciting. So we have 30 people in total. Let's see who is the 2 winners for the roulette, and inshallah get into it. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I think we're finally done with the list, shortlisting and everything, and making spin the wheel. Even though I will make mistakes in this video, it's not going to be cropped or anything because we have all of the names for the people. It's around 30 names. 2 people or 2 lucky people will actually be chosen for the split or steal. And regardless of whoever wins, I'm going to do more giveaways, and I'm going to make sure that you guys are satisfied with the next ones. I'm going to do the dots. So where I print your name and actually put a dot, and whoever wins that, wins it, you know. I have a lot of more ideas, but spin the wheel is the idea that I just came up with, or I had an idea when I started the giveaway already. Alhamdulillah, regardless, we're going to have the winner for the 10,000 dirhams. I'm going to quickly get it out of the bag just so you guys can see that this could have been you, but it's completely fine. Maybe next time. But yeah, regardless, we're gonna just spin the wheel for the 10,000 dirhams, inshallah. We have the 30 people shortlisted. I'm gonna spin it the first time. We're gonna see who's the first winner. All right, let's see. We have Boom Delf. What is that name, bro? I don't even know how he's shortlisted. But regardless, I cannot do anything against it, against the challenge. I mean, the challenge, whatever it is, I'm gonna just go with it. Second person, IIAED DXBX. All right, we have 2 different winners. Subhanallah, random winners. But if they deserve it, they get to spend the 10K. So we're gonna have the spin the wheel done. I mean, it's already done. We're gonna have the challenge started tomorrow. I'm gonna film it as soon as possible and I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. But regardless, in a few days I'm gonna upload the second giveaway that I'm doing, which is much more bigger, inshallah. Or it could be similar but much more easier for you to enter and all of that stuff. So regardless, we have 2 different winners and we're gonna see what goes next, inshallah. We actually have the Instagram account for the people who have won. This is actually a TikTok, Boom Delf. I wasn't sure if this is a real account, wallahi, because I was like, where did I even get Boom Delf from? But it seems like he's one of our Dubai members, like Dubai kids, mashallah. Right now I'm just gonna drop a follow back. I'm not gonna say anything for now. I'm just gonna keep quiet. And the second person that we have right now is right over here. Just give me a second. IIAED So, mashallah, bro, the guy is very on religion, bro. Like, subhanallah, man, like he could have prayed for this, man. But alhamdulillah, regardless, I'm gonna make them play split or steal, and I'm gonna see whoever or whichever one of them is actually honest. Now we're gonna find out tomorrow by picking them up and stuff like that. If they're below 18, I'm gonna make sure to take their parents' consent and all of that stuff. Although this is for 18 and above, but regardless, they have actually got they've got into this challenge. So subhanallah, it's gonna be very hard for me to be a kid, get into a challenge, win, and then be disqualified just because of my age. I mean, my father would let me, but I don't know if their father would. If not, I'm just gonna spin the wheel one more time and inshallah find someone else. But yeah, we're gonna find out, inshallah. We have got 2 winners for the 10,000 dirhams. Someone's gonna have this and someone's gonna have this, and inshallah, may the righteous person spend it in the righteous way. I think they both deserve it. But regardless, guys, I'm gonna do more giveaways. Wallahi, this is so exciting for me to actually see them, tell them that they have won. I'm gonna upload the YouTube video very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. As I told you guys, more coming, inshallah. And if you wanna actually change your life, the link is in the description.